Just add toothpaste to orange Fanta, and you'll see something incredible. You'll want to share it with everyone once you've seen the great result. Start by adding a spoonful of toothpaste to the bottle. Now close the bottle and shake well. Cleaning product manufacturers will hate you finding out about this because they really want you to waste your money on expensive and ineffective products. Even millionaires hide this powerful trick. Let's open the bottle and pour the contents into a container. Add it slowly so as not to make a mess of the liquid. Open little by little. Here I'm using approximately 200 milliliters of Fanta Orange. Yes, it's a soft drink we all have at home, cheap and super easy to find. But don't worry, you're not done yet. The next ingredient is detergent. Let's add 3 tablespoons. This mixture is pure gold. I bet you've never seen anything like it on the internet. Now, to enhance our mixture, let's move on to the next ally, which is baking soda. Add a large spoonful and mix well until smooth. Baking soda is one of the best natural cleaning agents you can have. It removes stubborn stains and is unbeatable against encrusted residues. Once I discovered this wonderful mixture, I never had to spend money on expensive cleaning products again. I use it at home, and it always works. Now, to store this incredible solution, take the soda container itself and make a small hole in the lid. With the help of a funnel, we'll transfer the mixture into the bottle. Our homemade cleaning solution is ready. Now let's put it to the test. And you're probably curious to know what it's for, right? Look at the state of that pan, all burnt and full of accumulated grease. And that's not just any grease. It's burnt oil, dirt from use, burnt on. Sounds impossible to clean, right? But not with our solution. Add a little of the product to the sponge, without water or anything else. See how quickly and easily you'll lather up with this powerful mixture. Now just rub in the dirt and you'll see that it comes off easily. The shine will appear immediately. The secret of this mixture is simple. The combination of Fanta Orange, detergent, and baking soda. Together, they dissolve the dirt and restore the pan's shine, leaving it as good as new. Best of all, it works on any type of pan, especially aluminum ones. With very little effort, your pans will be as clean and shiny as if they had just left the store. Take a look at this incredible result. Isn't it amazing? This trick will transform your routine, especially if you like your pans clean and shiny. Now it's your turn. Make this mixture at home and let us know what you think. God bless you and see you tomorrow.